The world of modified luxury SUVs has gotten pretty crowded. Walk through any high-end car show or scroll through the Instagram feeds of the usual tuning houses, and you'll find the same formula repeated endlessly. Aggressive body kits bolted onto Mercedes-AMG G-classes, oversized wheels pushing past the fenders, carbon fiber splitters that serve more as status signals than genuine aerodynamic tools. It works, commercially speaking, but after a while, it all starts to blur together, which is exactly what makes the Performmaster G805 Sterling Brush so disorienting the first time you see it. This thing doesn't quite look real. At first glance, it appears as though someone has wrapped a G63 in brushed stainless steel and pointed a studio light at it from every possible angle simultaneously. The surface catches light differently depending on where you're standing, shifting between darker, moodier tones and bright metallic highlights as you move around the car. It's genuinely difficult to process, partly because nothing in your automotive reference library quite prepares you for it. Performmaster is a German tuning house with a long history of working specifically on AMG products, and the G805 Sterling Brush is unquestionably their most ambitious project yet. Based on the current generation Mercedes-AMG G63, the build will be limited to just 8 examples worldwide, 3 per year at most. That production pace isn't a marketing decision so much as a practical one. The vehicle demands an extraordinary amount of skilled manual labor, and there's simply no shortcut available. The finish is the entire story, really. Unlike the metallic paint you'd encounter on a standard luxury vehicle, applied through precise automated industrial processes designed for consistency, the Sterling Brush exterior is entirely handcrafted. Every single surface is worked by hand, with thousands of individual brush strokes applied manually to create that textured, flowing metallic appearance. The tuner states the painting process alone consumes over 600 hours of work. For context, that figure exceeds the total assembly time of many production cars. It's an almost incomprehensible investment of skilled labor into a single surface treatment. What that process produces is genuinely extraordinary. The silver finish transitions gradually across the bodywork, moving between lighter and darker metallic values in a way that suggests depth rather than flatness. Under direct sunlight, the surface has an almost liquid quality, not reflective in the mirror-like way of polished paint, but more textured, more alive. At night, under urban lighting, it does something else entirely, catching isolated points of light and diffusing them across its brushed surface. Because the process is performed entirely by hand, no 2 cars will ever be identical. Each one becomes its own interpretation of the concept, with subtle variations in texture, gradient transition, and visual character that distinguish it from its 7 siblings. Beyond the surface treatment, the G805 Sterling Brush receives a comprehensive carbon fiber wide-body package that restructures the silhouette of the already imposing SUV. Flared wheel arches push the overall width out by roughly 10 centimeters, giving the vehicle a considerably more planted stance and making room for the wheel and tire setup underneath. The front end has been substantially redesigned, with a new bumper incorporating large air intakes and a custom grille that clearly differentiates the car from standard AMG specification. Carbon fiber surfaces are left exposed throughout, and a roof-mounted auxiliary lighting bar adds an expedition aesthetic that sits in interesting tension with the ultra-luxury positioning of everything else. Lower bumper lighting, electrically retractable side steps, a redesigned rear bumper, and a custom spare wheel carrier with integrated Performmaster branding round out the exterior package. On the whole, the effect is of something genuinely cohesive. The aggressive proportions and the artisanal paint surface pull in the same direction, rather than fighting each other, which isn't always the case with builds of this ambition. The wheel specification is exactly what you'd expect at this level. 24-inch forged alloys finished in gloss black sit at each corner, framed by wide, low-profile rubber. Blue brake calipers visible behind the spokes provide one of the few deliberate color contrasts in an otherwise monochromatic exterior, a small detail, but one that works well against the silver and black. Inside, the cabin has been comprehensively reworked to match the exclusivity of the exterior. The primary material story is blue leather, which covers the seats and creates a strong visual contrast against the silver tones outside. Fine silver piping and detailed stitching run throughout, and virtually every surface you might touch. Dashboard, door cards, center console has been upgraded with a combination of leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim. The remodeled front seats feature integrated headrests that modernize the look compared to standard G-Class specification. Illuminated sill plates mark each of the 8 production examples individually. The cabin's most overtly luxurious touch is the Starlight headliner, which draws direct inspiration from the kind of thing you'd more typically find in a Rolls-Royce. Tiny lights embedded into the roof lining replicate the appearance of a night sky, and while it's an idea that's been done before in the ultra-luxury space, execution matters enormously here, and by all accounts this one is done properly. It's the kind of detail that sounds slightly extravagant when described, but lands very differently when you're actually sitting beneath it on a night drive. Performance hasn't been neglected either. The 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that powers the standard G63 remains in place, but receives substantial development work, including larger turbochargers and a custom exhaust system. The result is an output figure of 805 horsepower and 1,020 Nm of torque, numbers that put this well above the standard AMG configuration and place it among the most powerful production-based luxury SUVs available anywhere. Performmaster claims a 0 to 100 km/h sprint of 3.69 seconds, which is remarkable when you consider the platform involved. The G-Class is a boxy, heavy off-road machine with roots going back decades. That kind of acceleration puts it in genuine supercar territory for straight-line performance. Comparable in some benchmarks to cars like the Ferrari Enzo, a statistic that would have seemed absurd attached to a G-Wagon not very long ago. The exhaust system contributes to more than just power delivery. AMG's V8 has always had a particular character to its sound, and the custom system here amplifies that without tipping into the kind of theatrical excess that can make heavily modified cars feel self-parody. What's interesting about this project philosophically is that Performmaster resisted the obvious temptations. The tuning world rewards escalation, bigger spoilers, louder graphics, more extreme everything, and there would have been a perfectly straightforward commercial path to building another attention-seeking G-Class with maximal visual aggression. Instead, the studio chose to center the entire concept around a single idea: handcrafted surface. The bodywork is dramatic, the wheels are large, the power output is staggering. But none of those elements are what you remember. You remember the finish, because it's something that simply cannot be replicated by any industrial process and cannot be faked by any digital technique. It has to be made by hand, slowly, by someone who knows what they're doing. That scarcity of process translates directly into scarcity of product. 8 cars, 3 per year, each individually numbered. It's the kind of exclusivity that exists at the intersection of genuine manufacturing constraint and deliberate positioning, which is a different thing from artificial scarcity created purely for marketing purposes. The labor involved makes the limit real. Pricing starts at approximately €579,000 before taxes, which is a significant multiple of what a standard G63 costs. Whether that's justified depends entirely on how you value the 600+ hours of hand finishing, the bespoke interior work, the carbon fiber modifications, and the engine development. For the right buyer, someone who genuinely understands what goes into this kind of build, rather than simply registering the price tag as a status signal, the figure probably makes sense. For everyone else, it will seem extraordinary. Both reactions are reasonable. What Performmaster has ultimately produced here is something rarer than the production numbers suggest. Plenty of extremely limited edition vehicles exist in the ultra-luxury tuning world, but few of them have a clear artistic identity. The G805 Sterling Brush does. The hand-brushed metallic surface isn't just a finish, it's a concept, a reason for the vehicle to exist as something distinct from the competition. In a segment increasingly defined by digital precision and mass-produced personalization, there's something genuinely compelling about a car whose most important attribute is that a skilled human being worked on it for months.